two legendary worlds, the boundless stories of Tomorrowland and the visionary creations of Insomniac, merge into one extraordinary universe.
What's up guys, it's Joe, I'm the Rave Tour Guide, and in today's video we're here for Unity at the Sphere for day one. It is Labor Day weekend and we were spontaneously decided to come here, so I decided to take you guys along. We'll take you through the whole process, what it's like to get into the Sphere, what it's like around the Sphere, what kind of drinks, what kind of food, and then we'll take you to the show. And tonight Jason Status is performing, so come along with us for this journey.
So we just got dropped off by our Uber and we followed the signs for the entry to our section using the bridge entry. There are a lot of people here, but it's moving at a good pace, and security was also quick and easy and leads straight into the atrium. Let's take a quick look.
Overall, first impressions here at the Sphere, the interior of the atrium is absolutely stunning. It is grand, it's huge. The ceilings go all the way up for who knows how high. There is one merch booth, but if you don't want to wait in line, you can purchase merch online. So as of today, it's like Labor Day weekend, there still is merch available through their website, including the pins, the posters, all that stuff. So you can skip the merch line. If you want to get your merch in advance, I'd recommend doing that online so you can wear it to the Sphere. Otherwise, be prepared to wait in line. The line for the merch is just over here, and it's pretty long. I'd say maybe like 15 to 20 minutes, so we're opting to just purchase online. We're checking out the different bars, checking out the different places to eat, and just exploring the Sphere here. So cool to finally be here.
First, we have the tap house with different beers on draft, wine, and cocktails. Then there's this grab and go spot where you can grab your drinks from the counter, and then I think you just pay using a self-checkout station. And here's the cantina with beer, wine, cocktails, and food. Now, if I was hungry, I would go for the Sonoran dog, and for a cocktail, I would go with the mule. That sounds pretty good. And yeah, here's the rest of the menu, some mocktails, some spirits, and beers. Here we are in the 200's, which does have an overhang in case you were considering these seats.
Tonight, two legendary worlds, the boundless stories of Tomorrowland and the visionary creations of Insomniac, merge into one extraordinary universe. Step into a journey where music becomes the language, friendship the compass, and wonder the guide. From opposite sides of the world, we come together in a dream born of two distinct visions. Like a metamorphosis, what begins in stillness becomes movement, an expression of our culture's ever-evolving spirit.
Look into my eyes.
Water and light are the mother and father of
indoor and 2 outdoor areas with 4 pumping sound systems. We just picked up Rabbit in the Moon from the airport. They're really excited about tomorrow night. We have many special surprises for you, and we recommend you get your tickets in advance. We also welcome you to wear your Wonderland costumes and bring any percussion instruments that you might want to bring, drums, rattles, shakers, and of course, any gifts to share. Direct directions will be posted tomorrow afternoon on these voicemails. We are really excited about you being a part of this event and hope to see you all tomorrow night.
Your name's not down, you're not coming.
Located in a unique remote location where humans and birds have inspired each other for centuries. A friend and a true Tomorrowland member, let us all remember Avicii.
Guided by a beating heart, I can tell where the journey will lead when I know it's hard. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open my eyes. So that's fine by me. So wake me up when it's over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. So wake me up when it's over. When I'm wiser and I'm older. All this time I was finding myself and I didn't know I was lost. Feel my way through the darkness. Down by a beating heart, I can tell where the journey is, and I know it's hard.
Step closer to your impending doom. Close your eyes and accept your fate. Ask me why.
us and we gon' okay, this shit is out of control, yeah.
Guys, we just finished up at the Sphere for the Unity show, and it was amazing. The visuals were a little obstructed from where we were seating, but I highly recommend checking out the show. I'll give you details about what sections that you want to do. The one that we did, just to give you an idea if that is something you want to do, because it was a good value, but it was an obstructed view. So I do recommend maybe some of the higher sections like the 200 or 300. 400 might be really high, so it's up to you. But I hope you enjoyed all these videos that we took. A little bit of chasing status at the end. And yeah, had a good time here. We'll definitely come back, and I think you guys should check it out. So if you're here in town for Vegas, I think the event goes all the way through until September with artists like Slander as well as Sarah Landry. So come check this place out. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button. Comment down below your favorite part or your favorite video, your favorite little section, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. See you guys on the next one. Bye.